Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to stream on VLC Media Player step by step so you can share media easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it launches, go to the media option at the top left corner and from the drop down menu click on Stream. This option is important because it allows VLC to send media to other devices. Step 2. In the Stream window, click on the Add button, then use File Explorer to locate and select the video or audio file you want to stream. After adding the file, click on Stream at the bottom to continue. Step 3. In the Stream output, wizard look for the New Destination drop-down menu and select HTTP. This method allows other devices on the same network to connect and watch the stream through a browser. Step 4. Now click Add to configure the HTTP settings. Leave the default port as it is since it works for most networks, and keep the path field blank if you want to stream to all devices on your local network. Step 5. Next, review the transcoding options. If your file format is already supported like MP4, you can skip transcoding. But if needed, enable it and select a suitable profile to ensure smooth streaming. Step 6. Once everything is set, click on the Stream button to start streaming. Make sure VLC is allowed through your firewall so other devices can connect without issues. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tech tutorials.